What is going on, guys? Sirluis here, the YouTuber to invest to rest, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys here how to buy SAFEMOON in the United States with no KYC verification, which basically means that you don't need to send them your ID of any type to buy SAFEMOON in this app, okay, or exchange. So you guys can join and sign up for this exchange with my referral code below. I think you'll get like a promotion. I don't know exactly, but I know there's definitely a promotion for it for using my link, so definitely check it out. So let's hop in here. I'm gonna show you guys here how to buy SAFEMOON the fastest and easiest way. No KYC in the United States, anywhere in the world actually, okay, even in New York. So click right here on Bitmart. This is the app right over here. It's called Bitmart. Now what I love about Bitmart is the fact that if you go right here to the markets, they have a huge variety of tokens and coins and cryptos on here, guys. As you guys can see, SAFEMOON is already right here. They have Shiba, they have T-Fuel, they have so much, guys. So if you guys are into low cap coins that are just literally in the, look at this, 0.00, look how much zeros that has, guys. They have so many upcoming coins on here that if you're into SAFEMOON, I'm pretty sure that you're going to be into other low cap coins as well. And this is definitely the place for it. I'm going to give you guys one of the best tips for this app. If you go right here to USD on the markets and you click right here on 24-hour change, okay, you can see the best performing coins, guys. Look at this. Up 135%, up 100%. You can see, and these are all low cap coins. Like if I click on this one, I never heard about this one before. Okay, coin info. If you click on coin info, you can learn about it. They give you the website, they give you the GitHub, they give you everything. Now one thing is, obviously do your due diligence before investing in this. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only for entertainment purposes only, so do your due diligence and your research before investing in any of these coins. So if you don't just want to buy SAFEMOON, you can check out all these other coins on here. Like I said, look at that, Safe Mars. So how do you buy SAFEMOON on here? Let me show you guys here. It's very simple. There is actually just one hurdle that you guys got to pass on, and it is basically funding your Bitmart. Okay. And with the fact that Bitmart doesn't allow you to transfer money from your bank, right, it's still very simple to send money over to Bitmart to buy SAFEMOON or any other coin. All you basically do is go to your other apps like Coinbase Pro, Gemini, Binance, which I'm pretty sure you have one or two. Then over there you want to buy a coin that has the least or zero withdrawal fees. I know a couple of them don't have withdrawal fees for any of them. The one I recommend, okay, that I use for certain apps like crypto.com, of course I'm not a financial advisor, the one I like to transfer over is XLM. The reason why is because it requires little to no fees and it's super fast. It goes super fast. So what you do is basically find that coin or any other coin that has barely any fees. You buy it on that exchange, okay, with your bank money. Then you go right here to assets. You want to go to assets right here on Bitmart. You want to find that coin, whichever coin it is. For me, it's XLM. So let's search here, XLM. Where is it? Right over here. Click XLM, and then you want to click on deposit. Okay, guys. Now, when you click on deposit, it should have the address. Now, you want to be careful when transferring your cryptos from here, because if you put in the wrong address, you can lose your money. So what I recommend is to just copy and paste it. Okay, don't type it out, just copy and paste it. Click on deposit. It's going to show the address. It's going to give you an option to copy it. Just click copy. It's going to say copy and paste. Then you want to go to your other app like Coinbase Pro or the other ones like I said. You want to go to withdraw for that coin. So this one is deposit, that one is withdraw. Click on withdraw. Then you want to copy the address from your Bitmart, okay, to the withdrawal address on your other coin. Then you want to click withdraw, do all that, put the amount that you want to send out, and then boom, it should send out. And of course, depending on the crypto that you send out, like XLM is super fast, it'll be here on Bitmart. Now when it gets here on Bitmart, what you want to do is, as soon as possible, you want to go to that coin. For my example is XLM, and you want to go on USDT. Click XLM USDT or any coin that you're using. Then you want to click on sell, and then here on sell you want to click the 100%, the available XLM or any other coin that you have, and you want to click sell all of it. Now you're going to be having USDT, and you successfully transferred crypto over to Bitmart. Congratulations. So that is just as simple as that. Now with USDT, you can literally buy anything, including SAFEMOON, which is the point of this video. So you have USDT, it's a stable coin, doesn't change. You click on SAFEMOON/USDT, you click on buy, and then finally you could buy here either a limit order, market order, whichever type of order that you guys want. I recommend limit. You put in the limit here. You could click on, you can click on the value, click the amount of SafeMoon that you want. Okay, and then you just click buy, and you should be able to buy SafeMoon, guys. So it's just as simple as that. No KYC. You can buy this in the United States. The only hurdle, like I said, is funding your Bitmart, and it's simple to do. Okay, now of course you don't have to keep your coins on here. You can just treat this as an exchange to buy or sell. If you don't trust Bitmart or any exchange, definitely send it over to our cold storage wallet. I think LEPAL supports SafeMoon. It's a cold storage wallet. Or if you can't afford a cold storage wallet at the moment, or you don't want to buy one, you could just watch my video on how to secure crypto for the cheapest way possible for free, and you'll be in control of your private keys. And I basically in this video show you how to secure your crypto the cheapest way possible for free. Okay, and you'll have control of your private keys. That's the main thing, control of your private keys. So that's how you buy SafeMoon, guys, the fastest and easiest way in the United States, and also on how to secure it. So thank you guys again. If you guys want to join a crypto group, join my free public Facebook group. It'll be in the description below, so you guys can be in a community with people that are interested in crypto as well. If you want to support me, check out my Patreon, and thank you guys so much. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.